Welcome to another fact or myth video related to the upcoming EU Digital Product Passport. And today we're going to talk about will the EU build or buy a super database to host all the digital product passports? And there the answer is most likely not. For now, every communication has said, no, we're going to build a federated system. That means that the passports will be hosted by all kinds of solution providers, which will then be EU DPP compliant. But there will be, however, a central IT component. So in that central IT component, you have to register all your passports. So if your category is DPP regulated, which we explained in the previous video, you need to register every digital product passport, and then you need to provide a link or a pointer towards the passport of your product so that EU market surveillance and EU customs can access your passports from that central database. So there will be a central IT component, but then after that it will be federated systems, and every DPP solution currently maybe in the market or new players. We already identified over 200 existing solutions in this space. They will adjust their solution to become DPP compliant, EU DPP compliant in this case. And that will, just like maybe USB-C connectors that you say, hey, we are compliant to the standard, so we can sort of connect to the system. So this will be a myth. And also the EU will not buy any of the existing solutions in the market. That's also what we see quite often in the Surpass meetings, that all kinds of solution providers are pitching their solution. Hey, the EU can buy our solution, but that will not happen. You will just get new requirements, and then everybody can start adjusting their system to be compliant on time. And again, first expected go live of this whole system is then in 2027. So that's another one. See you in the next video on the EU Digital Product Passport.